Hello students. In the previous video we have done what do you mean by business risk and characteristics of business risk. Today's topic is causes of business risk. Okay. Before understanding causes of business risk, we first understood and revised the meaning of business risk. Business risk refers to certain uncertain and unexpected events which may result in inadequate profits and sometimes even in losses also. Coming to the very first cause, that is natural causes. Now these are those causes by which risk arises due to the act of God and humans have no control over it. Say tsunami, earthquake, floods, these all causes a natural risk for that of the business. Coming to the second one, human causes. These are those kind of causes which are being done by the act of human, but they can be reduced and such causes can be easily controlled with proper planning and management. Say managerial inefficiency, theft, robbery, strikes, lockouts. These all are the causes which are coming under the category of human causes which gives rise to that of the business risk. Coming to the third one, that is economic causes. Economic causes includes topics like changes in fashion, change in taste and preference of consumers, change in technology, change in competition, or we can say increase in competition. These all will be coming as a part of economic causes, and these causes for the business risk may result in losses also. Coming to the last one, that is external causes. Now these are those causes for which we have not imagined at all, but they occur suddenly and just unexpectedly, like mechanical failures, busting of boiler, or we can say terrorism attack, political disturbances, political instability. These all will be coming under the case of external causes. So we have learned that business risk के चार causes होते हैं. पहला कॉज नेचुरल कॉज होता है, ये गॉड के द्वारा होता है, इस पे ह्यूमन कॉज पे कोई भी कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. एग्जाम्पल सुनामी, अर्थक्वेक, फ्लड. Second one is your human causes. These are being for the human beings and done by the human beings. Example, managerial inefficiency, strikes, lockouts. Third one, economic causes. These causes results in losses for the business. There may be increase in competition, change in technology, change in taste, change in fashion of the consumers. Last one is your external causes. These are very sudden and unexpected, say political instability, mechanical failures, terrorist attack. This will all be coming under the external causes. These all four causes business risk in our business environment. Okay, so we have completed with the causes of business risk. In the next topic, we're going to cover kinds of business risk. Coming to the next topic, that is kinds of business risk. Now you can see that there are total 4 kinds of business risk. First one is speculative risk, second one is pure risk, third one is insurable risk, and the next one is uninsurable risk. We're going to understand the meaning of each and every risk in an in-depth manner. First one is speculative risk. Now these are those kind of risks in which there are the chances of profit also, or there may be losses also. So there is an uncertainty of both the things. Either business can face losses also or can enjoy profits also. Example says change in the taste and fashion of consumers. Okay, if there will be favorable change in taste and preference, business will enjoy profits. If there will be unfavorable change in taste and preference, business will suffer losses. So such kind of risk in which there is a possibility of both losses also and profit also, these are known as speculative risk. Coming to the second one, that is pure risk. Now these are those kind of risks in which there is only 2 possibilities, either losses or no losses. Okay, example, fire, theft. आग लगेगी तो या तो नुकसान होगा या नहीं होगा, लेकिन कुछ फायदा तो नहीं होगा. थेफ्ट, चोरी होगी तो नुकसान होगा या नहीं होगा, लेकिन फायदा तो नहीं होगा. तो ऐसे रिस्क इन विच देयर इज ओनली अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ लॉस or no loss but 0% chances of profit, it is known as pure risk. Coming to the third one, insurable risk. These are those kind of risks for which insurance facilities are available in the market, and by paying a nominal amount of premium, you can easily cover up those risks, such as risk by fire, risk by theft, risk by natural causes. These can easily be covered with the help of insurances, and various insurance companies are providing various kinds of schemes to cover such kind of risk. Coming to the last one, that is uninsurable risk. These are those kind of risks for which no facilities of insurance, or we can say that no insurance cover is provided in the market for covering such kind of risk. Example, change in the government policies, political instability, then we can say change in technology, fluctuations in demand, increase in competition. For these, all these things, there is no insurance facility available in market, and such kind of risk are being categorized as uninsurable risk, for which there is a possibility of both loss and profit, speculative risk, for which there is a possibility of only loss or no loss, pure risk, for which insurance coverage is available in the market, insurable risk, and for last one, no insurance facilities are available for such kind of risk, and these will be categorized as uninsurable risk. Here we have completed with whole of our business risk topic. In next video, we are going to cover the intro part of this chapter number 1, and we are going to wind up with the chapter. Thank you.